when we talk about crimpers, in that it is the most rigorous and the most demanding application for crimpers that commercial electricians have to deal with day in and day out. So I can already benefit by the fact that now I'm, at chest height, shoulder height. Feel that weight difference, 2-3 pounds makes a big difference when you're holding it up here. I also get a green light on the back that shows me that the tool has reached full pressure and that's a good crimp. Do it again. Now the connector is complete. There's a power state brushless motor, similar to what you saw upstairs with fuel. The same kind of motor concept here, which runs cooler longer than the canned motors the competitive units all use. And finally, but most importantly for the utility lineman, red lithium batteries. The batteries that power this system will operate and run it optimally, whether you're in Arizona in August or northern Wisconsin in January.
Troy looks ready. Troy, you ready?
Ready.
Ready? All right, 1, 2, 3, cut.